Got a 2004 Toyota Avalon. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Got a few little paint flaws, but for 20 years old, that's to be expected. Got the moonroof. AAA bumper sticker. Bumper's got a few little nicks and scratches to be expected. Tires are nice. Nice wheels, not all curved up. Headlights a little bit foggy, but they can be corrected. Driver's side, nice and clean. Sorry about the road noise, can't do a thing about it. But here it is. And it's got a little bit of a secret. We'll let you know what it is in just a moment. Running nice and smooth and quiet. That nice V6 3.04 cam 24 VVT engine. Runs nice and clean. Now the story behind it was bought for just a little bit. Put on new struts, new timing belt, new water pump, new radiator, tires, and some other miscellaneous stuff. The shop charged $3,000 for everything, the air conditioning as well. So there's about $3,000 in it. And as you can see, the inside's nice and clean. Driver's seat a little bit cracked, but that's to be expected. Armrest a little cracked. Air conditioning blows nice and cold. Dash is still in good shape. Got the sunroof that works. So what's the secret it's got? 319,000 miles. So the owner has, and I was mistaken, it's 319, and he has said he has about 2,900 to 3,000 in it total after fixing everything. So, radio works, original head unit, automatic climate control, dual zone. So sometimes it's worth it to just fix instead of replace. The person the owner bought it from said it needs too much work, it's not worth keeping. And the owner is going to keep it and run it up to potentially 400,000 miles, maybe more. So there you go, 2004 Toyota Avalon. For all intents and purposes, 320,000 miles. Thanks for coming by.